Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to create a content calendar in Notion for 2025. First off, open your Notion app and create a new page. Name it 2025 Content Calendar. This is essentially your workspace where you'll organize all your content for the entire year. Next up, let's create a table. Click on the plus button, choose Table, and name it Content Schedule. This table will serve as the backbone for your content tracking system. It's where you'll add, manage, and monitor all your content pieces. Now that we've done that, let's add some columns. The basic ones you should include are content title, status, publication date, channel, and comments. The reason we do this is to ensure we have a clear overview of each content piece, from its status to its channel of publication. Now, let's add some content ideas into our table. Click on the plus button in the first row and start filling in your information. This helps us because it gets the ball rolling and gives us a visual representation of our content plan. Now that we've populated our table, it's time to customize. Notion offers a variety of options to customize your content calendar, such as color coding based on content status or adding tags for content type. The reason we do this is to make our calendar more visually appealing and easier to navigate. Finally, you can create a template for your content pieces. Just click on the Templates button on the right of your table and create a template that includes all the sections you usually cover in your content. This helps us because it speeds up the content creation process, ensuring consistency across all content pieces. And there you have it. You've just created a content calendar in Notion for 2025. Remember, the key to a successful content plan is continuous tracking and updating. So, keep your Notion content calendar close and make it a part of your daily routine. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.